What's going on, guys? So nakita nyo sa harapan nyo ang Avengers Age of Ultron Hulkbuster versus Hulk. Nakita nyo rin dito ang Iron Man na may bagong helmet. Yes, arm prints, I'd say. Bago yan para sa akin. Kasi may mga Iron Man din ako na luma na hindi ganito yung helmet. And Iron Man or Tony Stark na may sunglasses. Yeah. So, yun yung una. I just wanted this video to be fast. So, anyways, ito naman si Hulk. At may mga big figs dati na hindi talaga natatanggal yung head and yung hair. But for this one, here is pwede nang ma-detach ang hair. And yung pinaka-head ni Hulk right here. So, Hulk right here has an angry face and sana in a near future na magkaroon siya ng calm face sa likod, parang alternate uh, expressions like sa mga minifigs, diba? Like for example here with Iron Man, yeah, expression 1 and then expression 2 without the sunglasses, like very cool, very nice. So ito na ang main event. Hindi naman main event, pero main build right here. Nakita nyo naman yan is the Hulkbuster. At as you can see here, from down up to the noggin. Yep. Meron akong mga tinanggal na parts, especially yung parts sa knees, which is this one here. Tinanggal ko siya kasi masyadong parang ganun na lang siya. Ganun na lang ba yun? No knee joint whatsoever. Like, yeah, come on. Anyways, para malaman nyo na mayroon akong mga tinanggal na parts din talaga at may mga, yan, mayroon akong mga ball joints na inilagay sa kanya. And may mga parts pa rin na nandyan sa Hulkbuster na yan. And as you can see here is meron din akong ball joints na nilagay. Yep. So far so good. This is the best, I'd say, Hulkbuster build. And when it comes to the chest cavity right here, chest cavity, big word. Okay. Right here, meron akong binago dyan. Minimal lang naman. Gusto ko lang kasi na movie accurate siya. So yeah, so far, ganyan yan. And when it comes to the shoulders, ganun din. And still, the build itself, you can, muntik nang matumba yung Hulkbuster. It's still so cool na hindi siya one big piece yung chest piece kasi nakita niyo naman dyan, talagang natatanggal o na-unfold yung mismong chest piece or yung pinaka-front niya. Yep. I don't know why nasa ilalim or nasa bandang abdomen yung yan, yung arc reactor. Sana nandito siya. Siyempre, arc reactor ni Iron Man nasa chest. Dapat nasa chest din, hindi nasa abdomen. But anyways, this is for me, the best Hulk, the best Hulkbuster, and a very new thing to see is a minifigure like this one here. No hate for the new helmet though, but yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this vid, and see you. Nasaan yung kamay? See you next time. Bye-bye. Yep. Anyways, comment down below kung ano pang mga insights nyo dito sa ginawa ko or what. Yeah. And comment down below if ano pang gusto nyong malaman sa Hulkbuster na to. if gusto niya ng long-term video about this Hulkbuster right here. Anyways, again, bye-bye. See you all next time. Yeah. Woo!